how to change your Spotify password. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get into your Spotify web browser with any of your PC, or it could be through your laptop. So in here, if you want to change your account password, you need to know that you can actually do it from your application on your mobile. So you would need the web browser version, right? So after doing that, you can simply log into your account. Then from here, you can click on the account icon that you'll be able to see on the top right corner. So after doing that, click on settings. Then from here, you can see account. Simply click on the edit button right here. Then from there, click on email and password, then click on add. So after doing that, what you're going to do is add in your email address right here. In order to confirm your email address, rewrite it one more time and then simply click all of these terms and policy and then click on add email. So after doing that, all you need to do is create yourself a new password for your account. And here you need to remember that the password must actually contain at least one letter and at least one number or special character. For example, it could be your hashtag, question mark, or anything, right? And the password should actually be of 10 characters. So after creating yourself a strong password, you would need to retype this password in order to confirm it. And then from there, all you need to do is click on create password, and from that you'll be able to actually change the password of your Spotify account successfully. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.